Ever wonder why looping cat videos get so many views? It's because there's no clear beginning or end, so people just keep watching. Look at this one. Will the cat knock off the bottle or not? You don't know, so you keep watching. I wanted to make looping AI cat shorts too, but instead of copying what others were doing, I created my own version, and it worked. This short got strong engagement because viewers couldn't tell when the video ended. The suspense keeps them watching and rewatching. Here's exactly how I made this looping YouTube short using only free AI tools. Step 1. Generate the image using Gemini. First, I used Google Gemini to generate the base image. Because I already had a consistent image of my virtual cat, I reused it and asked Gemini to place the cat on the edge of a bathtub, reaching its paw toward a bottle. In my prompt, I specified marble tiles, the cat sitting on the tub edge, one paw reaching toward a bottle. This is what Gemini generated. Pretty good, right? One thing to note, Gemini images include a watermark in the bottom right corner. If you don't like it, you can crop it out or remove it using a free online tool. There are many options, and the one I used doesn't even require signing up. Step 2. Turn the image into a looping video using Grok Imagine. Next, I went to Grok Imagine by XAI. I uploaded the image from Gemini, selected video, and typed a very specific prompt. Here's the exact prompt I used. The cat looks at the camera and then looks down, takes back its right paw and then looks at the camera again. It then reaches out its right paw to the bottle again. The cat looks at the camera and then looks down. The key here is intention. I designed the beginning and the end of the video to look almost identical, so when it loops, viewers don't notice the reset. Grok generates up to 6 seconds, which is perfect for shorts. And here's the result. Bonus tip, make it longer without breaking the loop. If 6 seconds feels too short, here's a trick. Drag the play bar to the last frame, right-click on the video and select Take Snapshot. Upload that image back into Grok, use the same prompt, and generate another clip. Now you can stitch the two clips together and it still looks seamless. From the viewer's perspective, the video never clearly ends, which means more replays and higher watch time. Step 3. Add suspense in CapCut. Finally, I imported the video into CapCut. I added a suspenseful music track, trimmed it to fit the loop, and exported the final short. That's it. And that's how you create looping YouTube shorts that keep viewers watching and rewatching. No fancy tools, no paid subscriptions, just smart looping design. If you want more tutorials on AI cat videos, faceless YouTube channels, and free AI tools, follow along.